Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Jira for sprint planning productivity detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Jira for sprint planning productivity, open your web browser and navigate to the Jira website. Log in to your Jira account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, select the project you want to work on from your dashboard. Click on the backlog option located in the left-hand sidebar. This will bring you to the backlog view of your project. In the backlog view, you will see any existing user stories and tasks. To create a new sprint, look for the Create Sprint button at the top of the backlog. Click on Create Sprint. You can then drag and drop user stories from the backlog into the new sprint. Once you've added the desired stories, click on the Start Sprint button. This will open a dialog box for sprint settings. Set your sprint name, duration, and any other necessary details. Click on the Start button to begin your sprint. Now, you can assign tasks to team members by clicking on each task. Select the assignee from the drop-down menu. You can also add comments, attachments, or update status as necessary. During the sprint, regularly check the Active Sprints page for progress updates. This section provides a visual representation of your team's workload. At the end of the sprint, conduct a sprint review meeting. This allows your team to discuss completed work and potential improvements. After the review, click on the Complete Sprint button. This will finalize the sprint and move any unfinished tasks back to the backlog. Finally, reflect on your sprint in a retrospective meeting to identify areas for improvement. With these steps, you will enhance your sprint planning productivity using Jira. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.